Hey everyone, you're watching Circuit TV. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking towards this quadcopter. So let's get started. First of all, we will look what comes inside the box. So you get an application manual so that you can download the application and record the flight footage from the drone to your to your mobile, and instruction manual. Of course, this is the necessary part so that you can understand what this does, what this drone have features about: the transmitter, prop guards, 4 extra spare propellers, charger, and a battery, drone itself. So we will look towards the remote first. So as you can see, it is pretty comfortable remote. These are the dummy antennas. These do nothing. Of course, on the top side you get speed switching button and flip button for your quadcopter. Here is 1 key takeoff, 1 key landing, headless mode, 1 key return, emergency stop, calibration, and fine tuning. So fine tuning is nothing but trim buttons on the transmitter. Gimbals feels nice. On the back side of the remote you get battery drawer where you have to install 3 AA batteries, and here is your mobile phone holder so that you can see what your camera is capturing directly to your mobile phone. And power button, there is nothing but that's it. I like calibration feature so that in other drones you have to do it like this or something like that, stick movements, but you get calibration button directly over here. This is the nice feature, and you can see that there are 2 extra buttons. These do nothing. So as you can see that the propellers are stackable so that you can stick them in each other and made stack out of it. Prop guards, no screws, push and apply. This is 3.7 volts, around 1.5 ampere of current charger, 1.5 amp of charge. The battery capacity is 1000 milliamp hour, as you can see that, and the rated voltage is 3.7 volts. Now we will look towards the drone. This is a foldable drone, so we will unfold this really quick. Just like this, and as you can see that the drone is pretty bigger in its size, and yes, propellers are good and they are near about 3-inch props, and that is a good feature. And again, on the battery you get connector like this, means just plug it in here and starts to play. Yes, it is a bit hard to insert the battery in. That is the good feature, because in some flights the battery may come off in the other case of the drones if they don't have any safety feature. Now as you can see, the drone is bigger in size. You can say that this is the clone of DJI Mavic, I guess. Now I will teach you how to pair this drone with your transmitter. To turn on the quadcopter, you have to press and hold this button here for around 2 to 3 seconds, and the flashes will blink. the lights will blink like this. On the front side of the drone you can see that there are two more lights, and the camera, which is manual. You have to set the angle of the camera by yourself. Now always remember to turn on the quadcopter first, so that this will prevent any kind of accidental flights. Now turn on the transmitter and take the left joystick up and down, and the lights from the quadcopter will flash and get stable. So I will show you the one key takeoff. Let me just see if yes. So as I press this button, it will do the one key takeoff feature, and you have to hold this down for a long time to get this stop, and that's it. So these are the fine tuning. Press it once, take the desired direction to the trim, and that's it. And I will show you the emergency stop feature now. Yes, this is the emergency stop, and one key return, of course, that is useless because it will just get back towards you, means goes back to that direction where the drone has been paired. And yes, this will lead to some accidental damage to yourself or drone, so that is the drawback again. This drone will give you around 15 minutes of flight time because of 1000 milliamp hour of battery capacity. I can't show you on the camera because the video will get too bigger in its length. And let me just install the prop guards really quick so that you can see how big the drone will get after installing the prop guards. So I had installed 3 of the prop guard, and I will show you how to insert the prop guard. So as you can see on the side of the drone, here is a notch. Just slide this in, the basic function, and it will lock in its place. Sometimes it won't. You have to do it forcefully and make it happen. So as you can see that the drone gets really bigger. It is not even getting in the view of the camera. So this is the drone, a pretty much bigger drone, and as in compared to the other drones like Magic Speed X52, X53, or even Cyma X23W, this is bigger drone that I've ever saw. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button. New to the channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.